Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable HSA contribution limits check with HSA Bank. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable HSA contribution limits check with HSA Bank, start by visiting the HSA Bank website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the option labeled Account Services in the main menu. Click on Account Services to expand the drop-down menu. Select Contribution Limits from the list of available options. On the Contribution Limits page, review the current year's limit for your HSA contributions. Next, locate the Settings or Preferences tab. Click on it to open your account settings. Find the section related to notifications or alerts. Enable the option for contribution limit notifications. Review the methods available for receiving these alerts. Choose your preferred notification method, such as email or text message. After selecting your notification preference, save your changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your preferences have been updated. Finally, log out of your account. You have successfully set up HSA contribution limits check with HSA Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.